How can I refill my T-Mobile prepaid phone online?
Welcome to our easy-to-follow tutorial on how to refill your T-Mobile prepaid phone online. This guide will walk you through the process step by step. Let's get started.
What do you need beforehand?
Before we begin, make sure you have the following ready. 1. Your T-Mobile phone number. This is essential as it is used to identify your account. 2. A valid credit or debit card. This will be used for the transaction.
How do you log into T-Mobile's website?
To refill your T-Mobile prepaid phone, follow these steps. 1. Open your favorite browser and go to the official T-Mobile website. 2. Look for the My Account option on the website's main page and click on it. 3. Enter your T-Mobile phone number and password to log into your account. If you don't have an account, there will be an option to create one.
How do you refill your account?
Once you've logged in, refilling your account is straightforward. 1. Look for the Refill option in your account dashboard. Click on it. 2. You will be presented with refill amounts. Choose the amount you want to add to your prepaid phone. 3. After selecting the amount, you'll be prompted to enter your credit or debit card information. 4. After entering your card details, click on the Submit or Confirm button to finalize the transaction.
How do you confirm the transaction?
Once the transaction is complete, T-Mobile will send a confirmation message to your prepaid phone. Check your phone for this message to ensure that the refill was successful. And that's it. You've now refilled your T-Mobile prepaid phone online. Remember to always keep your T-Mobile phone number and payment information secure. We hope this guide has been helpful, and thank you for watching. Until next time, stay connected.